How's it going, y'all? Joseph with Zarate Steelworks, and I'm excited to tell you about a brand new product that we've had in development for quite some time. This is going to be our brand new ZSW rear emergency brake coil cover. We'll have it available in 32 plus colors to match your slingshot. And the great thing about this is that it's fully manufactured CNC'd out of billet aluminum that's going to go ahead and help keep tough on that long road use. Now, right now, what we're going to show you is how to go ahead and get this installed on your vehicle. Very, very easy install. We're going to walk you through the process, and I'll also tell you what tools are going to be utilized for it. Now, right now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and grab your ratchet as well as a 14mm socket. This is going to allow you to go ahead and pull off this rear bolt that I'm going to show you how to install this rear emergency brake cover. Now, when you come over to your slingshot, you'll notice back here, right where the emergency brake's at, you'll have this top little nut that goes over that bolt, and we're basically going to remove it from here with that 14mm that I told you about. You'll go ahead and you'll want to keep this down and make sure that it stays in place after you've loosened it. You'll go ahead and break the bolt. Once broken, it'll be real easy to just take it off by hand. And after removed, I'm going to show you the proper orientation on how we're going to install this emergency brake cover. If you'll notice, it'll have an indentation on there. With that indentation, you want it to go ahead and face towards where your lines are coming in through the back. And when we go to reinstall, we're still going to make sure that we have everything nice and under tension. And once that's back there, we'll start pushing it down by hand. So as we rotate it by hand, once we go ahead and feel it stop up and we can't rotate it no more, that's when we'll go ahead and utilize our tools and finish off this install. And much like I was telling y'all before, real easy install. That's the great thing about a lot of our product. Whether you've got yourself a certificate as a master mechanic, or if you've never went ahead and picked up a set of hand tools yourself, plenty of our product is easy to install. So don't be afraid, and if you ever need to, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help y'all out. But nevertheless, let's step back and take a look at this emergency brake cover. Alrighty, y'all, so those are going to be made available on our website. If you'd like to go ahead and order one today, you can always contact us directly or visit zaratesteelworks.com to go ahead and get it matched up to your slingshot. This is Joseph with Zarate Steelworks. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.